Yo, BC Benny here, coming at you with a review on a TTR 230 07. Right on. So as you may know, I'm normally a Cowie rider, but I draw my bike there on long weekends, so gotta keep riding. So yeah, just kind of check it out. It looks pretty decent, nice and clean. It is air cooled, which is a little different than I'm normally used to riding. And it's a 4-stroke with an electric start. Well, we're up at the lake. All right, we made it. Both machines. All right, good stuff. Well, first little rip so far here seems pretty good. Oh yes, I guess I better keep on with the review here. So back down to base camp for a little bit here. Yeah, soft suspension. It's not bad. Pirelli's MT320s on there. A little mod you can do here is take the spark arrestor off, gives it a little bit more pop. I don't know about power, but works good. And I'm probably going to change out the front sprocket, but put a 14 on rather than a 13 here. There's your choke, right there. There's your on-off with a reserve 7.9 liter tank. So all in all, for the price of these bikes, you can pick them up for anywhere from $1,500 to $4,000, depending on who you buy them off of. So I'm not going to tell you what I paid for this bike here, but I got a pretty smoking deal on it. All right, so yeah, there you guys go. This is a pretty decent little ride too. It's a 200 Yamaha quad 2-stroke. What do you think, Kale? Right on. TTR is still going. Yamaha's going. It's all good. Well, there you have it. The 230 TTR 07 does what it's supposed to do here. It's probably not going to kill you. It's a good bike, electric start, air cooled, reasonable price, guys. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Right on, guys. Well, you guys keep calm, be cool. Till next time. Oh, by the way, I do some cooking videos too.